Welcome back, karting enthusiasts, to a video that I've been preparing for a while now. Today we're going to be looking at some POV footage of Warrington, a go-karting track in England that I've been to a few times. It is the longest track in the UK with over 1,000 metres of racing. Be sure to strap in as we're going to be doing loads of overtaking today with some epic corners, epic overtake and some epic music as well to go with it. If you are new to the channel and you want to see more karting footage like this in the future, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and to share with your friends to make sure they can get the best of this karting POV videos. So don't forget the popcorn, gather your friends round, because you already know, it's lights out and away we go here at Team Sport Warrington. Coming into the first hairpin, I can see I've got two difficult drivers in front of me who have no idea what they're doing. I line myself up for some switchbacks here, but unfortunately I get the first guy, but I couldn't get the speed of the second guy. We will follow him through into the chicane to hopefully get him in the next corner. As we approach the next corner, I line myself on the outside to switch back to the inside as he brakes too early. I see we got two more guys in front of me, let's attack. I tried to throw it down the outside here, but unfortunately failed. We'll go out to the racing line and try again in future. We hit the dive bomb, a nice snarl on the brakes, and we managed to get the overtake done. Up into the upstairs section, this section is very bumpy and very quick, so you've got to have quick reaction time and good braking. Coming to the next hairpin here, I knew this was my chance here, so he bins it too wide. I go for the switchback and we overtake nicely. The next few laps are just some lap time setting because there is no one in front of us. So sit back, enjoy the music. Finally, an opponent to overtake, let's spin it down the inside. We successfully get the overtake and we speed off again. The red light here, so we'll sit here and wait for the lights to go green. Opponent in front will make short work of him now. Setting ourselves up for the inside overtake, easy does it, nicely done, easy peasy. Round the inside and we're good to go. Switching to the next skip now is a slow moving driver, so we'll get around him nice and easy. We spot our next target up front, another slow moving driver, we'll overtake him nice and easy once again. We'll speed through to go to the next person in just a second. Target in sight, now let's attack. Nice and easy through there, we bin it through the inside. Clean overtake, nice move. Straight through like Lewis Hamilton in his career. Make that easy short work of that dude, and we're moving on to get some more lap times in. Next target in sight, and let's attack. He moves quite slowly for this next corner, so we can get right behind him and be on his back. Give him pressure, a bit of a wave as he does some weird braking shit, and we get straight past him. That's an easy overtake. Move on. If you did enjoy this video, a like and subscribe is always appreciated, and I'm going to be posting a lot more karting content in the future. I'm probably moving to a karting only channel, so let me know if you want me to do this or do you want me to stick with some gaming instead. I will be trying to bring the best karting content for you on YouTube, so let's get this done, boys, and let's roll on the grind now. Let's try and hit 300 subs by the end of 2023. I appreciate you all being here. I'll see you in the next one. Remember to like and subscribe and comment what karting track you want to see next in the UK. I pretty much go to all the team sports, so I can do Reading, Acton, Watford, Warrington, anything you want, even the new one, Preston. Let's get this done. See you in a bit, boys, in the next one.